Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tanoa and feel free to hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. So to start this whole process, usually I pre-poo before I hop in the shower, but I was too lazy to do it this time, so I just jumped right in the shower without doing it. And throughout this whole process, you will see me finger detangling and working in sections a lot, and this just helps prevent my hair from being too tangled. The shampoo I'm going to be using is the Aussie Moist Miracle Smooth Shampoo. I've been using it for years, and it has never steered me wrong, so I'm going to keep using it. So basically, I shampoo my hair in each section individually when I don't pre-poo beforehand. And so I'm just making sure to lightly finger detangle and really scrub my scalp with my fingertips because I had those braids in for a long time. It was definitely over a month, so my hair needed that TLC. Okay, so after I rinse, I go ahead and divide my hair into two sections and shampoo a second time to make sure that my scalp is extra clean. And then I go ahead and rinse it out, really making sure to get all the shampoo out of my hair because I did, apply a lot. To deep condition, the products I'm going to be using are the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner and the TGIN Miracle Repair CPR treatment. And let me tell y'all, these two products right here, amazing. Chef's kiss. I love them. So I apply the Aussie Deep Conditioner first to each section and I let it sit in my hair for a little so that it can just penetrate my strands and just break up the tangles while I work through the other sections. And then I will go in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush to detangle each section. And I just try to take my time detangling because I don't want to pull out any unnecessary hair or cause any unnecessary breakage while I detangle because I'm trying to retain length as much as possible. So when each section is thoroughly detangled, I will then go with the TGIN deep conditioner on top, smooth it through my hair, and then I will twist that section up and then move on to the next ones. Also, if a section is too big, I will go ahead and split it up so that I can work in smaller ones, which you will see an example of that in a few seconds. Finally, when I'm done, I'll put a plastic bag on, shower, and allow the deep conditioner to do its thing. After about 15 and 20 minutes of letting the steam just toast my hair up, I'll take off the plastic bag and rinse my hair with cool water. I have high porosity hair, so this basically helps me retain some of the moisture from the deep conditioners that I had put in previously. And y'all gonna see my face in a bit, but oh my gosh, let me tell y'all, my hair, child, my hair was so soft. But basically, after I'm done rinsing each section, I will do a final cold water rinse, and that is basically it. So this is basically the end of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.